Hi guys, my name is Siyabonga, and basically in today's Forex trading video, I just want to talk about the importance of knowing how to read a price chart. A lot of the times as a trader, and I'm also evidence of that in the past when I was trying to find what I used to call the key strategy, okay, that will make me a lot of money, I pretty much used to rush in terms of wanting to find out how much money I can make basically just on that one system or that one strategy, as well as not paying much attention to actually reading a price chart. Excuse me. Now basically looking at the euro dollar, alright, you find that as the chart is right now, it's basically telling us something. It's giving us clues in terms of where it wants to go. So now as a trader, it becomes your responsibility to know how to read a price chart. Basically the fundamental thing is knowing how to decipher between when the market is in a trend or when the market is in consolidation. So that is key. So basically getting down to it, looking at the euro dollar, okay, if I were to go down to the daily charts, okay, we are currently in consolidation. However, what you can clearly see is that price action is holding support, right? So we have price action testing this level and holding. We have price action testing this level again and holding. So it is an indication to us that price action is respecting these levels. Now, considering that we are in a daily chart, daily charts are pretty much looked mostly by investors as well as swing traders. So those levels are important when you're looking at it, when you're looking at the market long term, as well as dialing down to the 4-hour chart. Okay, pretty much we're seeing the same formation. However, if on the other hand I am a swing trader, what I'm looking for is, I know that's the underlying markets, okay, that we are having a bearish rotation. How can we identify that we are moving downwards? Okay, I'm sure it's pretty clear if I just zoom out. What we have is we have our impulse leg. Oops. What we have is our impulse leg starting from here, right? And then we have an outside return, and then previous structure lows are broken, and then the market creates new structure lows, okay, right here, and then we create an outside return. That outside return comes into previous structure, so you can see right here it is previous structure resistance. Price action breaks through this level, creating a new structure low, and then the market comes back into creates an outside return into previous structure support, now turns into resistance. Now, knowing all that, it becomes clear that we are in a downtrend. Since we are in a downtrend, our focus needs to be short. Going back to what the acronym IPDE: identify, predict, decide, and execute. So I've identified, okay, the price chart, the euro dollar. I've identified that we are moving lower. That is the identification phase. We are in a trending market. P is prediction. I'm predicting where the market now is most likely to go. Now if I was doing a prediction, let's move down to the hourly chart. So if I am a trader and I am predicting in terms of where the market is likely to go, and I take my arrow, this is my near-term support. Okay, so if I'm a trader and I'm looking to actually make money on the euro dollar. Basically just reading price action, not using any indicator, not using any fancy tools. Just knowing how to read the charts, okay, is important. So I know that when I am looking at the market, I want to take profit down here at this zone. So meaning that if I want to get involved, this is my zone that I want to get involved in. Right, let's mark that red, then mark this level as green. Okay, so this is the level where I'm pretty much focused in terms of making gains in the market. Now another thing is going to be decision points. Now the decision point will be, what is my bias? Okay, currently I have a bearish bias, okay, in the market, purely looking at technicals without going into fundamentals. So decision points, I have an option, right? If I was to zoom in, okay, on this chart, what do I see? Because it's important to pay consideration in terms of what do you see. Okay, one, I'm identifying that we are having a double top. Price action tested this level, held, tried to test again, failed, tested it a third time, okay, and it held. So we created in essence actually a double top. Now when price action does that, it's giving us an indication that this is a significantly important level, okay, considering the 1 hour time frame, right? So swing traders are looking at it, as well as intraday traders. They are paying careful attention to that particular level. And again, what did we have down here? We had price action testing, breaking previous structure support to create resistance. So now basically looking at this, what we are also having is we broke previous structure, price action is coming to new structure highs. Okay, not really new structure highs, pardon me. We're coming into now resistance, okay, previous structure support. So again, here we have a bias that there are traders looking at this zone. They are looking to actually short right here as well. Also, it's a zone where you find that sellers are looking at this zone, but the most significant zone for me, okay, is this zone up here, because it has been tested a number of times and it has held as well. Secondly, what we have what's known as a 2618 setup. Now 2618 is where price action tests a level twice, hence 2618, and then we have a retrace to the 618 Fibonacci level. Now if I take my fibs, this will make life more easier. So if I take to my highest point, okay, right here, 2618 is where price action tests, okay, this level once, and you test this level twice, and you have price action pulling back and bouncing to the 618, and we are looking to short the market, to actually take a short. So as a trader, that is a level, that is actually 2618 trade setup. Now going back to risk reward, if you are a structure-based trader, you are looking at that as one of your, actually as a 2618 trader, if you are trading the 2618, you are looking to just actually enter at market right now. Now considering to my rules, I only trade the London Open. That is what I found to be, one, more appropriate for my lifestyle. Two, since I don't have access to the computer during the day, I only do my analysis early in the morning, set up my pending orders, and I'm done. When I come home in the evening, that's when I look at my charts and see how the market went, any orders triggered, okay, while I'm away. So yeah, that's how I look at the market. Now going back to this, you have a 2618, and at market 2618 trade setup, you are looking at a risk, okay, of this much to a gain of this much. So you are looking at about a 2:1, or slightly greater than 2:1, okay, gain on this particular trade setup. So the trade in itself, okay, looks pretty good. So as a traders, this is one trade to actually consider. So just wanted to keep this video short, don't want to actually make it long, but this trade in itself and knowing how to read the price charts gives you the edge of being one step ahead of the market and allowing yourself to be, to take advantage, okay, in order to be one step ahead, to know what to do when the market actually gets there. So yeah, without further ado, just wanted to just get that out. So feel free to follow me, okay, on TradingView. This is my my profile. You can actually follow me here, follow my ideas, what I'm looking at in the market, as well as yeah, you can catch me here. Just search Siyabonga_Ngobo. Feel free to share this video as well, okay, on YouTube, on any social media platform. Talk about it. We can talk, have a conversation, share ideas. But yeah, so without further ado, plan your trade, trade your plan. Cheers.